What up, AKK fam? Welcome back to the vlog. We posted a video about me getting a new car. We just detailed it a little bit, and we're about to give you a tour about the car. Yeah.
So this is trunk, obviously. We have some personal stuff in there already, some waters. Come on.
So I got a 2007 Chevy Equinox.
Can't hear you.
2007 Chevy Equinox. But
Don't mind the
car's
Wendy's
pretty
drink.
clean.
That's from right now, because we just ate.
Got a good deal on it.
Got a sunroof.
Only spent $2,000 on it. Not bad.
So it has this console, and then it lifts up. It has that space down there, which has water bottles right now, and hats. That's about it.
Yeah, and that's my car. Well, our car. And we'll be doing more vlogs like outside now. It's not gonna be always stuck in the house.
Now that we can get places.
Now that we can get places. Tomorrow we're gonna go see Leia, our dog. She has a doctor's appointment, so you guys are gonna be able to tune into that. Right? And we'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Let your friends know. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.